Life as a driver. First thing in the morning, downtown Houston. You see in the mirror where I had to back into, completely enclosed. Had a blind side in here. People not wanting to stop when they're holding flags out, and then getting on to me for not having police block the road. The police aren't going to block the road for as much as these guys need the shipment, and this is going to be a business for the town. Go figure. We get flipped off. We go off and get cussed at for bringing you stuff that we need to be doing and you need to be having. Yet we're the bad guys. Next time you see a truck driver and they've got their four ways on and they're trying to back up, try to understand they've got something that evidently your town or your area needs. Please and thank you. Have a blessed day.